Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
The Regional Committee Blakli Dusumbut Mendirang Ba ka Jilau Basnyam Halangdhar Kelapan Jingkheiñ halo ka Jingdan Jingkheiñ ki bahap hapo ka Tylli Block 1 Hawes Jingkheiñ Hills ka Jaka Berangdon hakajinya ka Japot hapedeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Hakajinya kira Mekilat Patai Kubor Basnyam Halangdhar Ulia thu bah ka Jingalang ka Belong Habunai Nopra Arajar Pausau Waipor Lai Benai Deputy Commissioner Jongka West Jingkheiñ Hills District ban pha ka kai pot ka babnia ka Jingdon Jongkishnong ki badan Chakhaput ka Jingdon Jingkheiñ Shnong bagi deiru na ka Jai Penreu Ayu. Kumancupin kenmau hangni bagi ndrut lig jaka ki Berangdon hapedeng ka Jinga ka Japot ki kinthop ka Langpi Hawes Khasi Hills District ka Bodwa ka Nongwa Mautamur ka Desh Dumre ka Block 2 Haribhoi District ka Block 1 ba ka Psiar Khanduli Hawes Jingkheiñ Hills District.
Just request us to split the matter a bit with the counterpart. They request us that is simple. So I told them also even on 19 December 24, so we had a meeting regional committee. I informed them so they are very happy. And further maybe after the MDC you try to coordinate with the counterpart and we maybe both the chief minister will meet again. So from the chief minister level, not from my level, no. No, from my level I'll meet the committee. I'll call the committee only. And the counterpart is the chief minister level, no, not from my level. Even 19 December, just before Christmas, and we have asked the district administration to do some homework also, and they will come back to us, to the committee, and they will decide will place to the state government, and the state government will coordinate with the Assam, and we may sit any time when both sides are ready. But the same thing only, they request me about it, I informed them accordingly. It's not appropriate for me to share with you. But I know their concern, the same concern that we are having as a government. And it's good and very right also. And we are also as a government, we are having the same concern what they are having. Now to maybe after the election only, now to we are busy with the council election. No? Maybe I give them 3 months time to get more detail. Yes. Number one, so what are the villages near along the existing border? That is point number one. What is their population and what are their tribes? Well progress, you know very well. Obviously, maybe in very short they will float Tandar also for the airport, for expansion. That is as usual only. We won't touch the present runway, no? But maybe for few reasons, not for the expansion. Not for expansion. It won't disturb their moving.
Well, last time.
No problem at all. No problem at all. Even this last few 3-4 weeks, CM has called meeting, no, at this level, along with the defense, along with the airport authority, everything is clear now. We are just planning to move ahead with the work only. Everything is clear. Hopefully, I think within 2 or 2.5 years, big flight will land. Big game changer for the state of Meghalaya.
Kapor Kaladay, Bapinjit yaki MDC Jongpi Shaka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Bat ka Jingkheiñ Hills Autonomous District Council Ayu kinle lada ki job ka ei ka thong ka bakidon ki ei ki man ki bakong san ki bakibu hakman kita ki de ki jingkeli ki bafidon kam man yo ya ka jubab haswa bapin lek ban tap ya ka vote Jongpi ha ka arpwoi tarik urumpang arajar arpsan baik ya ka program markman bat ki kertong